Hello Bacha Bati, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. This is the first part of chapter 9 boxes and sketches. Standard 5 subject mathematics. Let's start the class. At first I want to tell you that this chapter is totally based on visualization of 3D shape, 3-dimensional shape that we have studied already in chapter number 3 and chapter number 4. We have learned 2D and 3D shape in detail. Let's see what are these 2D and 3D shapes. Okay students, so as you can see on the screen we have 2D shapes such as circle, rectangle, triangle, square, parallelogram and trapezium. And we have 3D shapes like sphere, cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone and prism. Okay. So these are 2D and 3D shapes. 2D means two-dimensional shape. That means they have length and breadth. That's why they are known as two-dimensional. And 3D shape has length, breadth and height. That's why it is known as three-dimensional shape. Now let's go further. Chapter 9 boxes and sketches start with the topic sweet box. Let's read it out first. Ramya went to buy sweets. The shopkeeper took a paper cutout and quickly made a lovely pink box for the sweets. As you can see in the photo, shopkeeper has made a beautiful box out of a paper cutout. So here they are telling us to look at the photo and make your own box. Use the cutout on the page number 201. How fast can you fold it? So this activity you can do at your home. Next they are telling us after coming home, Ramya unfolded the box. She removed the extra flaps so the cutout look like this. So here as you can see in the figure, the box has cut out like this. Paper cutout of box is like this after unfolding it. So this dotted line represent the folded part of the paper. Okay. From this paper cutout we can say that it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 faces. Okay. Now going further, she made 4 more shapes. Each is to be folded along the dotted lines. You have to find out which of these can be made into box. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 cut out and 4 more shape, and we have to find out which of these can be converted or folded into a box. As we already know, a box has 6 phases when it is unfolded. So out of this we have to find out which of these has 6 phases, and all the phases should be rectangle. So we have to start with A and calculate the phases of each paper cutout. So if we take A has 6 phases and all are rectangles, so we can make or turn it into box. And now for B, as you can see here, it is a triangle, so it cannot be converted into box. Now going on the C paper cutout, so as you can see here, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and all are rectangles, so this can be made into box. And for D cutout, it has only 5 faces, so we can say that it cannot be converted into box. So here we have identified that A and C can be converted into boxes. Okay Bacha Bati? Here we have to remember that the sweet box has 6 phases and it is in the form of cuboid. Okay, just remember that we have made boxes which has 6 phases and it is in the form of cuboid when it's come to 3-dimensional. The next is shapes that fold into a cube. So here you can see the cube. Now let's see what is the difference between cube and cuboid. Let me explain you. Okay. Let me draw first square and rectangle. So This is square and this is rectangle. Okay, just a minute, let me draw it again. So here it is a square and here it is a rectangle. Okay, so we all know the properties of square and rectangle. That is, square has all four sides equal, and in rectangle opposite sides are equal. Okay, and this both square and rectangle are 2D shape, we all know. But if we made a height to this square and rectangle, it get converted into cube and cuboid. How? Let's see. If we make this point A, this point B, this point C, and this point D. Now if we make height from A, B and C, all height of equal length. If we made height from A, B and C, this all height of equal length, and this get converted into a cube. So as you can see here, we have made a height of equal length from A, B and C. So here cube has all side equal. Similarly, if we make a point A, B, C and D, and if we take a height from A, B and C and D, this height is also equal, then we get a cuboid. Okay, from square we get cube and from rectangle we get cuboid. Is it clear, bacha party? What is the difference between cube and what is the difference between cuboid? The major difference is that the cube is made from square when we add height to it, and the cuboid is made from rectangle when we add height to it. The best example of cube is ice cube, Ludo dice, then we have Rubik's cube. Okay, and the example for cuboid is your duster, your textbook, your compass box. These are the example of cuboid. Is it clear, bacha party, what is cube and cuboid? What is 2D and 3D? Now let's get back to our topic, that is shape that fold into cube. The topic says that a Buddha wants to make a paper cube using a square sheet. Okay, a Buddha wants to make a paper cube using a square sheet. He knows that all the faces of cubes are square. So we have recently seen that all the faces of cube are square. So Buddha, he draws two different shape, as you can see here. Now they have given some question, out of which first is, will both of these shapes fold into cube? Let's see. For your knowledge, I want to tell you that I have cut both of this shape and found that both of this shape can make a cube. Okay. Now next question is, draw at least one more shape which can be folded into a cube. So we have to draw one more shape that can be converted into a cube. So here you have to remember that a cube also has 6 faces and all the faces are equal. As you can see here, the shape which is given in our textbook, it also has 6 square, that means 6 faces. Okay, both the shape has 6 square, that means both the shape has 6 faces. That means we have to make a shape which has 6 faces. So let's try it. As you can see here, I have drawn a one shape which is made using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 faces. Okay, so here this shape can be converted into a box. Now let's come to next question. What will be the area of each face of the cube? So we have already discussed it. In the cube we have 6 faces and all the faces are equal. That means area of all the faces are equal. And remember that we have to take only one face, that means one square unit. Also remember that area is represented in square unit. Okay, so area of one face is 1 square unit. If all the sides are of 1 centimeter, then we can say that area is 1 square centimeter. And if all the sides of square is of 1 meter, then we can say that 1 square meter. Okay, bacha party? Now the next question is, draw one shape which will not fold into a cube. For that we have to draw a two square like this. As you can see here, we have to draw a two square which are adjacent to each other, and then we have to draw four more square which are connected like this. So this shape cannot be converted into a cube. Now the last point is, look around and discuss which things around you look like a cube and list a few. So we have already discussed what are the example of cube. Let me show you more example like gift box, ice cube, dice, Rubik's cubes, sugar cubes. Then we have boxes. Okay, so these are the examples of cubes which are around us. Okay, bacha party, you can add more example to it if you know some example. I hope you have very well understand what is cube and cuboid. Thank you for watching. Till next video, Jai Hind, take care.